Have you ever had a really important piece of information, but it's completely stuck inside a scanned document? Like an image or a PDF? Well, today we're going to talk about how to get that sensitive data out securely. Let's jump right in. So here's the scenario. It's a super common one. You've got a scanned deposition, maybe a client's tax return, or a whole bunch of employee records. All that personal information inside is absolutely critical, but you can't just, copy and paste it to redact it. It's basically locked inside an image, which makes it a real headache to analyze or share safely. And this is exactly where PrivacyScrubber Pro comes into play. We're going to take a look at its super powerful optical character recognition feature. That's OCR for short. It's specifically designed to unlock the text from your scanned files and then scrub it clean of any of that personally identifiable information, or PII. Now, this tool was really built with professionals in mind, people who are handling these kinds of high-stakes documents every single day. We're talking about legal teams with piles of scanned depositions, financial advisors working with tax returns, or HR departments that have to manage sensitive employee records. And yeah, it supports all the usual suspects: PDF, PNG, and JPEG files. Okay, so how does it actually get the job done? Let's walk through the whole process right now. You'll see it's incredibly simple, totally secure, and unbelievably fast. Really, it just boils down to these 4 easy steps. You upload your file, the tool processes it right there on your machine, which is key. You copy the cleaned up text, and then you paste it safely wherever you need it to go. So let's break each of those down. All right, step 1. It all starts with just a simple click. You hit upload, select that scanned PDF or image file right from your own computer, and it doesn't matter if it's just one page or a massive document. And this is where the magic happens. The second you upload it, PrivacyScrubber starts extracting and scrubbing the text. But here's the most crucial part. This is all happening 100% inside your web browser. Your file never leaves your computer. And just like that, it's done. You'll see the text pop up on the screen. But all that PII, names, addresses, social security numbers, it's all been automatically masked. Now, all you have to do is click one button to copy that clean, safe block of text to your clipboard. And here's the final payoff, right? You can now take that scrubbed text and drop it into a large language model, something like ChatGPT, to get a summary or an analysis or even a translation. And you can do it with total confidence, knowing you're not leaking any private information. The data is finally useful and secure. So that's how it works, but you're probably wondering, why is it so secure? Let's peel back the curtain a little and look at the technology that makes this whole thing so trustworthy for your most sensitive files. At the very heart of this is optical character recognition. PrivacyScrubber uses this really powerful open-source engine called Tesseract.js. Its job is to look at the image of your document, read the characters, and turn them into digital text that our scrubbing engine can actually understand and work with. And now for the most important piece of the security puzzle, it's what we call client-side processing. This means that every single thing that happens, reading the file, the OCR, the PII scrubbing, it all happens right there, locally, on your computer. Let me be clear, your file is never, ever uploaded to a server. 100%. That's the amount of work that's done right on your device. This is what's known as a zero-trust security architecture, and it's designed to give you complete and total peace of mind. So what does this zero-trust approach actually mean for your team in the real world? Well, it has some pretty profound effects on your workflow, your security, and of course, your compliance. Just think about the old way of doing things for a second: manual redaction. It is so slow, it's tedious, and honestly, it's really easy for a person to make a mistake. The PrivacyScrubber OCR approach? Well, it's instant, it's automated and accurate, and it's totally secure because it's 100% local. When you look at it that way, the benefits for your team become crystal clear. You're going to save countless hours of manual work. You're able to extend your company's zero-trust security policies to cover all these new kinds of documents. And you make sure you're staying compliant with even the strictest data privacy rules out there. So, what's the big takeaway here? It's really simple. With PrivacyScrubber Pro's OCR feature, your documents get processed securely, and your most sensitive data stays exactly where it's supposed to be, always and only in your control.